Hey, hi guys, this is Vamsi. I'm back with another video. Today in this video I am going to discuss about what is the route map of learning data science, how we want to learn the data one by step by step. I will explain how to learn the data science. Before going to the video, please have a look on my previous video. I have explained what it means by data science, what are the roles of data science and the job roles and the job description, salaries, everything I have explained. Life cycle of also data science also explained. Have a look on it, and the next video is about this. Okay, let's start the video. At first, this is a style of pyramid. We want to learn at first. We want to learn programming like R and Python. We want to fully expert in Python or R. I will prefer Python is the best thing to learn for data science because we can easily write the code than R. Okay. Python, you want more about the Python? You want to follow my playlist? I have already uploaded playlist in Telugu and English. Have a look on it, and you can learn the Python as possible as deeper. It will help to you to grow. After learning of any programming, and the next step is data extraction. What is meant by data extraction and winding? Collection of data. Make your own source and collect your data according to your problem. What is the problem you have taken? What is project you have taken? Please collect the make a business analysis. Like you want to collect the data from your neighbors, friends, families, Google, etc. Where you want to have a source, you can collect the data from there. That is the next step you want to learn to become a data scientist. That is data extraction and winding. And the third step is EDA and storytelling. EDA, exploratory data analysis. It is a main. This is from here we are talking main things. EDA. We want to explore the data analysis. Which type of data is? What are the columns are presented? How much shape is presented? What is the head of tile? Anything we want to find from here. EDA. It is a main thing. It is the starting point of the data learning, doing a project. And storytelling. The storytelling is simply known as what is the in a graphical method. So we can explain the storytelling in how much data is distributed between the columns, how much data is distributed between the independent. And this is a simple way you can explain the. We want to explain the data as in a graphical form. That is mean by storytelling. And the next step is applied stats and experimental design. This is the fourth step. We want to apply the statistics. We want to learn the statistics like p-value, central limit theorem, etc., etc. We want to apply. We want to do mathematical calculations to our data set for finding the better accuracy. For that, we want to apply the maths, statistics for improving the best accuracy. So you want to use the first step is applying the stats. We want to learn the stats, and in future I will start the playlist of stats. You can see there, and you can learn. Okay. And the fifth step is ML algorithms. After building pre-processing, all four steps like programming, data extraction, EDA, applying stats, these are four steps are known as pre-processing. For doing a project, it takes nearly 70 to 80% for doing pre-processing. This is the main steps. You want to learn as possible as you want to do more on practice on the pre-processing. At the time only you can do a project. Model building is not, it is an easy thing after doing a pre-processing. Try to learn how to pre-process the data, how to convert the data you want to have a feature engineering, feature scaling, how to convert this. I have different techniques of feature scaling and feature engineering. Try to use the different techniques and get a better accuracy. We want to prove the better accuracy. That is the main thing. It takes nearly 70 to 80% of time to do the pre-processing. After that, at the fifth step, we are using ML algorithms, machine learning models building, like linear, logistic data, which is user regression model or classification or anything clusters. We want to classify after doing the pre-processing. And finally, for complex data sets, we are using deep learning models, and this is a final stage of learning a deep learning models. Between there is the NLP also undercome under the deep learning. Everything NLP, etc. You want to undercome between the machine learning and deep learning. You want to learn This is the main this is the step by step you want to learn the data science. At first, programming and data expression, EDA, stats, ML model building, and for complex we want to build deep learning models. This is overall learning of data science. And in my next video I will explain what are the programming language and everything, each and every part, what are the things we want to learn. Wait for that video. Okay friends, I hope you have understand everything in this video. Please make sure like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay friends, bye, take care, have a good day.